How to fix no service SIM card problem on Android. So if you're facing the no service SIM card problem on Android, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply turn on your airplane mode for a minute. Once you've turned it on, just wait for a minute, and after that again turn it off. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your settings, open up your settings, scroll down, go with network and internet, and here go with SIM card and mobile network, and go with your SIM, the SIM that you are using, and scroll down and go with preferred network type, tap on 2G and then go with 4G, and after that your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method, which is you can simply go with settings again and go with search, which is on the upper right, and search for reset. Once you search for reset, you will have reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. So you just need to simply tap on that, and again tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and tap on reset settings, which is on the bottom of your screen. And once you've reset, you just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix no service SIM card problem on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.